Okay, so when I have to solve an equation, and I don't want to do it all out algebraically, or I don't have to do it out all algebraically, especially in a situation like this, because we don't want to have to FOIL, something like that, and then set it equal to zero. And we could. I mean, it wouldn't be impossible, but in this day and age, really. So to do the setup, and if you go to Wolfram Alpha, that's really my go-to website. This will take you through Calc 1, early part of Calc 2. And there's other apps out there that work. What I like about this is it's quick and easy. And you have to use a little bit of math to do things. I mean, you got to know, well, I want to solve this equation. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to type in that equation, that circle. Let's see, what is it? Negative 54 divided by 59 x plus 54. And then I'm going to square that. And that equals 43 squared. And hopefully this will work. Now, this won't show me the steps. You have to pay them $60 a year to do that. So, I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, if you want to, you can, but I wouldn't do that. So let's see, do I have that typed in correctly? I think so. So then I'm going to let it solve it. And eventually it'll give me some answers. So I've got a couple of radical forms. Let's see if it'll give me approximate forms. Alrighty, does it show me the answer? Here we go. So there's the two answers. I've got a x equals 14.949 and x equals 38.84. Now you can go back in and solve for y using your negative 54 over 59 times your x. You'll have to do that for each of these x's, plus 54, and that'll tell me my y. And then you got to use your distance formula. The other option you can do is, let's see, let me copy this because I don't have to retype that if I don't have to. I might have to, but you can go out to Desmos graphing calculator. And once that loads, my internet's been acting wonky lately. Supposedly they fixed it, and now it's just darn slow. When I get done with this, Fairpoint's getting a call. Here we go. So yeah, that looks good. That graphed it. And then you just got to zoom out so you can see the foolish thing. And I'm seeing my two answers. I know this is a parabola. Is it opening up or opening down? I'm not quite sure. Let's see, it should be opening down or up because this number is less than 1, but I'm going to square it. So it's positive. So that should be opening up. So I'm just going to zoom in and not really care about whether it's opening up or down. And there's a solution. And there's a solution. And those should be the same as Wolfram gave us. Yes, they are. Okay, so there's two ways to solve this. The other option you can do, I really am liking this. If you go to the iOS store or the Android store, there's this free, I linked this somewhere in one of my web pages, 3-Psi Graph Calc. See if this is it. Yeah, this is the guy. This is the calculator. I like this calculator so much. I paid $5 for the live version. This has a polynomial solver on it even. So I mean, it's free, so you can do that. And this comes in Android flavors and in iTunes and iOS flavors. So, so that's another option you can use. Okay, so and then your graphing calculator works also as this other person said. So hopefully that helps you solve this equation.